cutting me wrong. Mistake. See those lines? That's my grain. Cut against them, not with them. You're making me chewy. Slice the other way. Stop stabbing me. I'm the chicken breast. Every hole you poke, juice escapes. You tongs, flip me gently. My moisture is my flavor. Stop letting it out. Dry me off. I'm the pork chop. I'm wet from the package. That moisture is blocking my sear. No crust, just gray. Paper towel. Pat me dry, then sear. Score me. I'm a thick pork belly. My fat cap is.
Hello, teacher.
Hello there. Good morning. How are you today?
I feel normal.
You feel normal. And I think you just woke up.
Yes.
Yeah, you just woke up from your sleep from your good sleep. Yeah. Okay.
Teacher, today we start at 8:10 minutes, but tomorrow we start at 8 o'clock.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's the usual time. Yeah. Today it's 8:10, but tomorrow it will be 8 at exactly 8. Yeah?
okay.
Yes. Okay, hold on. I will just turn on my fan because it's kind of hot. Okay, so honey, were you busy last night? Your family? Did you go somewhere? It's Sunny's friend's birthday. I remember.
Yes.
It's Sunny's friend's birthday. But did you go with them? Did you go with Sunny?
No, I go to the extra class.
You went. You went. I went to the extra class. You say that again? I went to the extra class.
I went to the extra class.
Yes. Okay. Anyway, honey, how is the weather there in your country? How has been the weather?
The weather today is hot and sunny.
Oh, here I think so too, honey. I think it's also going to be so hot. I think. Yeah. So anyway, we are now going to have the continuation of our material in, which is the CATS 4 Test 3. Yeah. We are now going to have the last page of our material. Hold on.
Yeah.
And after this, we're going to have a new one.
Okay.
I am now going to share the screen. Okay. Can you see teacher screen now?
Yes.
Okay. So here, based on the given information, honey, you will be talking about the horse riding lessons. Okay. So please talk now about the horse riding lessons. Honey, you start from hello everyone. Today I will talk blah blah blah. Let's go, honey.
Hello everyone. Today I will talk to you about horse riding lessons. It's easy bell riding school on Westeros. It is cost 50 per hour. It's so cheap. Of the whole years are fairly quiet. It's open classes every day, but everyone must wear a riding hat.
Okay, thank you so much, my dear. Now, let's move forward to the next. Okay, thank you so much for that one. We are now going to move forward here, honey. We are now going to have the cat. Okay, this one. The CAT 4 Test 4. Okay. Okay. Let's have the part one, honey. For the part one, you're going to answer some questions, same as usual. So let's have question number one. Do you like shopping, Lynn?
Uh,
Do you
yes,
like shopping? You say, yes, I do.
yes, I like.
Yes. Why do you like shopping, honey?
Well, because I can buy because I can buy many favorite things that I love.
Okay. So where do you usually shop, honey? That's question number two. Where do you usually shop?
I usually shop at the shopping center.
Mm-hmm. Ah, okay. Me, honey, there's a specific mall that I always go to, and we call it Gaisano Mall here in my country, like in my place, in my city. Like I mean, the city near the town that I'm, yeah. So yeah, it's Gaisano Mall. How about you, honey? What's the name of the shop or the mall that you usually go for shopping?
I usually go is the name of the shop that I usually go is Uniqlo.
Ah, Uniqlo. Yeah, that's a it's a worldwide famous or popular shop, honey, right? Yeah,
Yeah,
yes. And their clothes, honey, are very nice. Very, very nice.
yeah,
Okay, so most of your clothes, honey, are from Uniqlo?
yeah, maybe,
Ah, most of your clothes, like almost all of your clothes are from Uniqlo, honey?
yeah.
Or you also buy online?
Uh, the from Uniqlo.
Ah, from Uniqlo. Also for Sunny.
Yeah.
Okay, next, what do you usually buy? What do you usually buy, honey, when you shop? Me, home accessories, honey, or things that can be used at home. Yeah. I'm not really into clothes. How about you? What do you usually buy when you go shopping with your family or with your mom?
Uh, I usually buy t-shirt and jeans.
Oh, yeah. Do you pick your own clothes, honey? Do you pick your own clothes?
Yes.
Ah, you choose your own clothes, not your mom? Not your mom, honey? Wow. So you have the freedom. You have the freedom to choose whatever you want to wear. Okay. Well, now let's have the next one, honey. Do you buy designer clothes, honey? Do you buy designer clothes?
Uh,
Do you
no.
know? Yeah. Do you know what? Okay, okay, okay. Can you give me an example of a designer clothes, honey?
And one designer.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
What's the brand? The name of a brand.
I don't know.
Like Chanel. You know Chanel?
Yes.
Gucci, Louis Vuitton. Those are designer clothes.
Uh,
Yes.
my mom
Ah.
has to do this.
Wow! She has that kind of clothes, the designer clothes. Wow. And that's very expensive. I heard those kind of clothes are very expensive, honey.
No. My mom had you the lipstick.
Ah, the lipstick. Ah, yes. But it's also very expensive. It's also expensive. Wow. I also want to have that one, honey, but I can't afford it. It's very expensive. I'm so amazed. I have a friend, honey, who bought just one perfume, Chanel perfume, and it cost her a lot of money. Yeah. So your mom has the Chanel lipstick, honey?
Yes.
Okay. Anyway, let's have this one, honey. Where do you go to get the latest fashions, honey? Where do you go to get the latest, the most popular fashion trend for the month or for this, like, yeah, anytime, honey? Me, I go to Shein, online shop. How about you?
Can you repeat again? I don't know.
Where do you get the latest fashion?
The latest fashion.
Oh, here we are. I will translate it.
Where do you go to get the latest fashion?
Here.
Okay.
Did you see my chat, honey?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I usually buy the latest fashions in Uniqlo.
Ah, you are really a fan of Uniqlo, honey. I see. All right, honey. Are you a fashion victim? Do you know what is a fashion victim, honey?
Uh,
Yeah. When we say fashion victim, what do you think is it? Try to, how do I say this? Try to think what fashion victim means. What do you mean by that when we say fashion victim?
fashion.
Yeah.
What? I don't. Wait. I research. I don't know with Tom.
Ah, you don't know you don't know the meaning of the fashion victim. Honey, fashion victim, honey, is a person who follows the trends too closely. If even if the suit even if the style doesn't suit them. I will translate it, okay?
Okay. I know.
You know it already? Okay. Person who follows trends so closely. Even
Oh, I aren't a fashion victim
okay.
because I usually buy at the shopping center. I can buy online.
Oh, okay. Let's try to translate it, Tanya, okay? Because yeah, I typed it. So let's listen to it. Fashion victim means
Nó có nghĩa là một người luôn theo sát các xu hướng, ngay cả khi phong cách đó không phù hợp với họ.
okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Are you someone like that? Are you a person like that, honey?
No.
No. No. Okay, I see. All right. Next one. When did you go? When did you go? When did you last go shopping, honey? When did you last go shopping? When was the last time?
Uh, sorry, I don't remember.
You don't remember me? Last month. I
Oh.
went shopping last month. How about you?
Maybe I last month too.
Oh, it's last month too. Okay. All right. So right here, honey, we are now going to talk about kinds of shops. So we have different kinds of shop here, honey, and we're going to discuss everything here, one by one. Now let's move forward to the next one, honey. Okay. We have the first one, Lynn. What is the first one? It is
Is it cafe?
cafe. Yeah, it is a kind of shop. And what is it? What is supposed to be? What is a cafe? Can you tell me what a cafe is?
Cafe is like a mini restaurant. It has a small cake like a dessert
Yeah.
and cafe and many different drinks like orange juice, matcha,
Mm-hmm.
and cafe, milk
Yes.
cafe.
Yes. Okay. When do you usually go there, honey? When do you usually go to a cafe? Or, I mean, when do you usually need to be in the cafe?
I usually go to the uh I rarely go to the cafe.
You rarely go to the cafe. But when, honey? When is just the time that you go there? Me, I just go to the cafe to meet friends. I rarely go to a cafe to honey, but I just go there to meet friends. How about you?
I go the cafe when my home has a new customer visit, like my grandpa, my
Yeah.
grandma, my uncle, and uh, my my aunt.
I see, honey. So you go to the cafe if someone visits you, a relative or a relative visits you.
Yeah,
Okay. I remember last time also Sunny went to the cafe with your mom and dad, right?
yeah,
Because they were waiting for you.
yeah.
Yeah.
Last night too.
Last night too. They also waited for you from the birthday party.
Yeah.
Okay. Next one to the cafe, honey. We have the what is it?
Uh, is market.
Market. Yes. What is a market, honey?
Market is like it sell many things like uh but it's more
Like
than
for
supermarket.
example, yeah. Like for
Like
example, honey. What do
for
they sell?
clothes, food,
Mm-hmm.
like uh cake,
Yes.
sausage, sausage,
And
ice cream,
yes,
yogurt.
very good. And
It's
they
so
also, yeah. How about groceries, honey? You know, the food that we have to eat at home. Do they sell that in the market?
uh no.
No. Yeah, it's often food, right? Food, clothes, and household utensils, honey. Household things like, fork, a spoon, yeah, a wall clock, yeah, things that can be used at home. All right. So now, honey, how do you feel when you go to the market, honey? How do
Uh
you feel when you go to the market? Yeah.
I feel loving.
You feel
I love it because
you love it. Why?
I can buy anything that I love.
What do you usually buy when you go to the market, honey? What do you usually buy there when you go there?
Uh, I usually go there by
To buy what?
to buy to buy ice cream.
Ice cream. Okay.
Mochi.
Oh, mochi. Oh my goodness, that's very yummy. Okay. Anyway, let's move forward to the next one here. Thank you so much for explaining what a market is, honey. Now let's move forward to the next one, which is
Bookshop.
yes, the bookshop.
Bookshop.
What is a bookshop then?
It has many books to sell.
Yes, of course. Very good. They have a lot and a lot of books to sell. Yes. Do you also go to the bookshop, honey?
No.
No. You don't like books, right?
Yeah. I
Ah,
like comic book.
comics. But where can you buy comics, honey? Where can you buy comic books?
It's bookstore.
In the bookshop too.
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You buy, but so you mean to say you like you go to the bookshop. Yeah? You
Yeah.
go to the bookshop and then you just only buy um comics. Yeah?
Yeah.
Not the ordinary books that you need to read, just the comics. So you go to the bookshop. Okay. Honey, what's the difference between a bookshop and a library? Can you tell me the difference between the library and the bookshop?
Yes. The library is don't sell. Is just borrow to read it. But the
Yes.
bookshop is sell it. It can
Very
sell.
good.
You can take it and win at home.
Very good. Okay. Great job, honey. Okay. Next one. We also have the next one, honey, which is the candy. Candy. What is that?
Candy shop.
Very good. It's a candy shop. Okay. What is a candy shop, honey?
Candy shop is one of the shops to sell
Mhm.
candy. I love this shop.
Yes, very good. Candy shop, honey, is a store where sweets or like chocolates and other candies are sold. Yes, not just candies, but also chocolates. How about there, honey? Are there any candy shops there?
No.
You don't have it. Me too
Yeah.
here. We just buy candies and chocolates in the supermarket. How about you?
Yes.
Yeah, we're
Me
the
too.
same. Yes. Okay, next to the candy shop, honey, we have what is that?
It's close up.
Yes, it's the clothes shop. What is a clothes shop, honey?
Clothes shop that the shop sell clothes like
Yes.
maybe like
Yeah, honey, you're right. Clothes shop, honey, is a store where people buy clothes. Yeah, it's a shop that sells clothes. Okay. And like Uniqlo, it's a clothes shop, right, honey?
oh yeah.
Yes. Okay, that's the example of a clothes shop, Uniqlo. Okay. All right. Anyway, honey, can I go and get some water? Honey,
Yeah.
my
Okay.
water bottle is empty. Wait for me. Kaylin.
Hello, teacher.
Huh?
Teacher, can I go to the toilet?
Oh, sure. Yes.
Okay. Okay, teacher.
Okay, honey. Now, let's move forward to the computer shop, honey. Okay, let's go to the computer shop. What is a computer shop, my dear?
Computer shop is the computer that have in the shop. It's like a net shop. Net
Mm.
shop.
Okay, honey. Computer shop, honey, is a store where computers and laptops and accessories, honey, are sold. It's not net, honey. Computer shop is different from an internet cafe, honey. Okay? Or computer
Okay.
cafe, something like that. Okay? Computer shop, honey, they sell. They sell computers, they sell laptops, they sell the accessories that you need for your laptop or for your computer. Sometimes when your laptop is kind of broken, they fix it. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, now let's move forward to the DVD rental. I think, yeah, do you know, or have you ever heard about that one, honey? The DVD rental?
Uh,
Or do you know DVD?
yeah.
Yeah, you know DVDs, right? Okay. So, what is a DVD rental, honey? What do you think is a DVD rental?
The video rental.
Is a shop or okay. Do you know renting, honey? Do you know rental? You know
Oh,
rental? Okay. It's just like borrowing, honey. Rental is this in Vietnamese.
Cho thuê.
oh,
Yes. You borrow DVD from the certain shop, you need to pay money when you borrow it. Okay? It's a shop or it's a service where people can borrow DVDs for movies, for shows, for music, stuff like that. And it's just for a short time, honey. And you can return them, and you need to return them later on. Okay? That is a DVD rental. Now, let's move forward to the next one, honey. We have
the rain coasters.
next to the DVD rental, we have the
Music shop.
yes, we have the music shop. What is a music shop, honey? What do you think is a music shop?
Music shop is the shop that sell a Bluetooth.
They sell what, honey? They sell
A Bluetooth.
Bluetooth device like
Speaker.
speakers.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes, they could also yeah, honey, you're right. They could also you're right. It's perfect. They can also sell those kinds of stuff like a speaker. But when you say music shop, honey, they mainly sell musical instruments, honey. Like guitars, like pianos, like violins. Yeah, that's it. Records, CDs, yeah, Bluetooth speakers. That's what they mainly sell. Okay, so are there music shops there in your place, Lynn?
No.
No, there is no. I see, honey. Okay, here too. Yes. There is like a music shop here, but they just sell speakers. Like Bluetooth speakers. Not the violin, not the guitar, not yeah. Okay, next one. Oh, this is my favorite place. Okay, what is this, honey? What's the next to the music shop? We have the
The mall.
mall. Okay, very good. What is a mall, honey?
A mall is a big center. I like it.
Yes, a large building, honey. A very large building or group, honey, that's connected, or group of connected buildings, honey, with so many stores, so many shops and restaurants, right, honey?
Yes.
Yes. What's your favorite thing to do in the mall, honey? What's your favorite thing to do in the mall? Inside a mall?
It's eating.
Eating. Honey, I remember, I think you have Giga Mall, right? You call it
Oh,
Giga
yeah.
Mall? Yes. I remember it is Giga Mall. Yeah. I remember Sunny. Sunny mentioned to me the Giga Mall, honey. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, my dear, now let's move forward to the next one.
It's pet shop.
Okay, we have the pet shop. What is a pet shop, honey? What is a pet shop?
Pet shop is like a shop that sell pets. A
Yes.
shop that take care of the pets.
Yes. Okay, that is it, honey. Anyway, what is the most common pet that they sell, honey? The most common pet or animal that they sell there. What is it?
Uh,
The most or the popular pet that they sell, honey. What is it?
a dog.
Yes, very good. A dog. That's the most common one, the most popular one, right? Yeah,
Yes.
that is right. Do you want to have a pet, then?
Yes.
You want to have a pet? Really? Do you have a pet?
But before that, I want, but now I don't want because I don't want to see the bed the pet death, and my mom say with me she can take care of this
Mm.
one.
I see. I see, honey. Okay. So okay, and I understand. But your parents likes it too, right? Your parents likes it, honey?
No.
Your parents just same with my mom, honey. Just same with my mom. Yeah, like, I mean, my mom also doesn't like it so much. She said that those kinds of pets are very dirty and they make a lot of that mess. So I also like it, honey. I also want to have like a pet here in my house, but what can I do? My mom doesn't like it. Okay. Anyway,
Okay.
let's have the next one, honey. Can you read that one, honey?
Is wait green
Green?
rocks green
Yeah.
rocks.
Greengrocer. Honey, what is a greengrocer? What do you think is a greengrocer?
It sell plants.
Yes. They sell, honey, greengrocer, it's like they sell plants, but they sell fresh fruit, honey. They sell fresh fruits and vegetables. Okay? Yeah. You cannot buy meat there. You cannot buy like noodles there. You can just buy fruits and vegetables in that place. Yes. Okay. Next one. We have what is the next one, honey?
Bakery.
Bakery. The most common one. You know this one. Please explain to me, honey, what is a bakery? A bakery is
Bakery is like a shop that sell uh, a a cake, many cake.
yes. What else? Is it is it also is it just selling cakes, honey? What else do they sell? They also
Uh,
sell
they also
bread.
sell
Bread. Yeah, they also sell cookies. Okay? All right.
uh,
Yes. Okay. Are there bakeries there, honey? Your place?
uh,
You don't have bakeries there? You don't where
oh
do
yeah,
you
yeah. Yes.
do you usually buy cakes or breads in the bakery?
Uh, yes. I
Of
usually
course. Of course. Anyway, honey, we don't have enough time anymore. We just have less than a minute left. Thank you so much, Lynn, for your time. And tomorrow, 9 a.m., we're going at 8 a.m. We are going to have our class. Okay. Thank you so much, Lynn. And goodbye. See you next time.
Gracias.